Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study the number problem. You know the number problem, to solve this we will use the system of equation. Remember the system of linear equation, we have four methods: the graphical methods, the elimination, the substitution, and the comparison method. But in our discussion, guys, we have only to use elimination method or substitution method. The problem: the sum of two numbers is 28. One of the numbers is 8 more than the other. Find the numbers. So if we're going to find the numbers now, we have three steps that we're going to use in our solution. 1. Representation. Let x be the first number and y is the second number. The purpose of this is to identify the variable, which is what is the value of x and what is x also. X is the first number and y is the second number. And the next after that we are going to use the equation. And the equation and system of equation, we have equation 1 and equation 2. The first equation is x plus y equals 28. Based on the statement, the problem, x equals y plus 8, then that's the equation 2. And after that, we're going to solve the equation by substitution. So x plus y equals 28, and the value of x is y plus 8 plus y equals 28. Then we're going to add y plus y equals 2y equals 28, and we're going to transpose the 8, the constant, and becomes now negative 8. Then we're going to minus 28 minus 8 equals 20. Then 2y, we're going to divide it on both sides by 2. So the answer for y equals 10. Then after solving the y, we're going to solve for x by using the equation 2. X equals y plus 8. Then x equals, the value of y is 10 plus 8. Then x equals 8 plus 10 plus 8 equals 18. So the value of x is 18 and the value of y is 8. So therefore, the two numbers are 18 and 10.